Squatter rights. How landlords can remove squatters legally. Given that squatters may have a legal claim to your property after a certain amount of years, the burning question for landlords is how to remove a squatter legally. It is essential that you keep yourself on the right side of the law when removing a squatter, even though they are living on your property without permission. Here are some steps you can take to do that. 1. Start by preventing squatters. As the adage goes, prevention is better than the cure. As such, preventing squatters from entering your property is the first step. There are a few simple ways you can do this. For example, it's a good idea to secure property by ensuring all doors and windows are locked and can't be opened without your authorization. You could also install alarms and motion detectors that send notifications to your mobile phone. You should also visit your property regularly to check for broken windows and ensure no one is living there. If you visit your property regularly, you will ensure that a squatter never gets to spend enough time on your property to claim any legal right to it. 2. Call the police. If you discover squatters living on your property, you should immediately call the police. Squatting is a civil matter, but the police can determine if the people on your property are trespassers or squatters. The police report will also help with the next step, starting the eviction process. 3. Serve an eviction notice. The next step is to serve a formal eviction notice. Depending on your state, you must usually give the squatters 3 to 5 days to vacate the property. After that, you can file an unlawful detainer action. To do this, you will need to prove the following: the tenant is living there without permission. The squatter doesn't pay rent. You have given the required notice. The squatter is still living in the property after the notice period has expired. But what happens if the squatter refuses to leave despite the court order? In that case, you need to proceed to the next step. 4. File a civil lawsuit to get rid of the squatter. If the squatter refuses to leave the property, you may need to file a lawsuit to remove them from the premises. The judge will typically rule in favor of the landlord if all of the proper procedures have been followed, which is why you need to follow the letter of the law completely. Once the judge has ruled in your favor, you can present the ruling to the local police, who will remove the squatters. 5. Get rid of a squatter's possessions. Unfortunately, your issue with the squatter doesn't always end there. If they have left any of their possessions behind on your property, you can't always just discard them. In many cases, you may need to give them time to collect their possessions from your property before you get rid of them. However, it's important to note that the laws differ from state to state, so be sure to get solid legal advice before making any decisions about their items or trashing their stuff. For more information, contact us now. Call us at 006356193346 or at 00639338161046 or at 00639171539608. You can also email us at jfpropertygroup.info@gmail.com. Visit us on our website at www.jfpropertygroup.com. Register now.
Services we offered: land survey, title transfer, dark clearance, building permit application, home renovation, water application, electrical application, property advertisement, architectural services, electrical services, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, drilling services, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, birth certificate registration.
And don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell icon for more properties for sale and for rent. Thank you.